A sidebar makes it easier for users to navigate and quickly access key features, improving their experience and encouraging engagement. Here, we'll demonstrate an interactive sidebar with mouse-click functionality for a car mobile app, using the MockFlow prototyping feature. After creating the sidebar in the dashboard design, hide this component in the Layers panel to ensure they only appear when triggered. Next, we'll click on the component where the sidebar should appear and select Manage Interactions. We'll set mouse click as the action and choose Show Component to make the sidebar visible. We've also created an overlay in the design, which we will set to appear on mouse click for a better visual effect with the sidebar. Next, let's add this fade-in effect to both actions to create a smooth delay for the interaction. Our next interaction will hide the sidebar component. To do this, we'll set the interaction on the close icon inside the sidebar and select the Hide Component option for the mouse click action. We'll do the same for the overlay component as well. To enhance the interaction's visual appeal, we'll add a fade-out effect for the sidebar and overlay closing action when it's clicked. Finally, switch to View mode to see the interaction in action. As you'll notice, clicking the component triggers the action, and clicking the close icon hides it. Make your designs more interactive with MockFlow. Check out our other related videos for more quick tips.